guys, it's Bitty Baby Lady, and today I'm going to do a slime review. The slime I'm reviewing is from Orb Slimy Llamacorn Fluff. The company did have butter slimes, but I chose the fluffy slimes. Today we are going to be reviewing and rating the container, and we're going to be reviewing the slime. We're going to be reviewing how it pokes, how it stretches, its slime swirl, and its bubbles from a slime swirl. I like the container, and I also like the lid design on the container. This is what this slime looks like. It is a pretty blue, and the shade matches the lid on the container. Now I'm going to start poking. I would rate the poking 8 out of 10. Now we are going to stretch it. I would say the stretching is a 10 out of 10. Now we're going to do a slime swirl. I am going to do another slime swirl. The bubbles were good. Now we're going to do another slime swirl and see if it is better, because I got too much on the other side last time, so it didn't look as good, but I think this one will be better because it seems more even. Okay, I'm going to try this again. I'm not good at slime swirls. My slime swirls will get better. I tried to do a slime swirl, but one side has more on the other, and it gets sloppy. I would give this slime overall a 8 out of 10. I think it is a great slime, and I definitely recommend buying it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the bell to get notified every time I post. I post Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday, and I am filming videos ahead, so they will be premiered at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. And don't forget to like this video if you like slime. We are at 24 subscribers, and my goal for this year is 50. So I am going to have a reward if we can get to 50 before this year ends. So if you have any suggestions for what I should do, leave those in the comments and I will take those into consideration. And I will start to think about what I should do. Now, I am going to do something that I think I could do, and it's going to be fun and it's going to be rewarding for you guys. Thank you so much for watching.